dear brothers and sisters of America. I'm putting as an individual, I have great love and respect for the people of America. I give my admiration to the American people who are so great, who are so well behaved, and who respects every race of the world. Here, in this video, I'm putting across my ideas about President John Trump. I must say that he is a dynamic person. He's one of the best presidents in the history of America. Well, I would like to put across some of the points. If you re-elect President John Trump, there will be improvement in every sphere of life. There will be better law and order. There will be better criminal justice system in America. American gets fairer, better industries in future. And one thing more which I would like to add, against an average of 15 points for an intellectual, President Trump possesses 140 IQ points. One thing more which I would like to say, Trump is a populist. He speaks for the marginalized, especially for jobless people. One of his ideas is to erect wall on the Mexican border, which would certainly stop the illegal immigration into America. He has a strong international policy, especially in Korean Peninsula. Better policies for the industrialization, more budget for the industries, bring emerging technology that improves quality of life and products, high paying jobs for American job seekers, bold ideas for industries, better ecosystem in America, American leadership with bold ideas for key research and R&D investment, preparing the workforce for the jobs of tomorrow through expanding apprenticeship to gain more education and better skills for the near future, industries of the future, for 4 key technologies to fuel American prosperity, better security to homeland, artificial intelligence, including intelligence and with human intelligence, transforming American life and American business, improving how we diagnose better which should speak better, improve, manage your finance, homes and travels. President Trump's priority would be strategic national security strategy. NSS, it will be given budget priorities, recognize with the irreplaceable, recognizing the irreparable values of workers, National Council for American Workers to address their future better, advanced manufacturing, new manufacturing technology for more for more competitiveness. It will improve the economy, better productivity, superior products, forming entirely new industries. It will expand manufacturing, more employment, will create better defense for industrial base, better semiconductors. It will improve smartphones, GPS system, better navigation. It will improve computers working. It will bring down loads on computers, workloads, and solve much more challenges. Better policies for economic development, better network infrastructure, better streamline of permit process for communication, investing in future visionary investments. American dominates in industries in future, thrust in infrastructure, better R&D in every research institution, colleges, universities, research institutions, every science and technology. Well, President Trump's bold vision translated in investment. It will prosperize the economy, the America. I must confess and say that we need not only the people of America, but the people of the whole globe requires strong leaders like President Trump. If he is there, there will be a complete peace in the whole world, in whole of Europe, in whole of Asia. It will stabilize not only a particular country, but the whole of world. So I would request the brethren of America to kindly vote, support, and elect the most deserving president, President Donald Trump. I thank you very much. I thank the people of America who are listening or watching my video. I again request you to kindly support President Trump for the better future of your children, the coming generations. It will improvise. I must assure you that President Trump's re-election would pave way for the better future of American people. Thank you, America. Thank you, the people of America. I may request the people of America to forward my message to all those individuals who love America. President Trump is the best. It's the best option available to you. This decision lies with you. Thank you, Americans. Thank you, America. Thank you very much.